Ah, yes. Walking in the bush at night sometimes is interesting. You come across interesting things, such as what I'm about to share with you, yes. Indeed, on my path out of the wilderness, I find myself overwhelmed with this fabulous triangle. Yeah, triangle. I believe in triangles. I think triangles are fabulous. I have triangular rocks all over my property. I think there's something spiritually strong and positive from the strength of the triangle. Yes. It's just, I don't know, something to believe in. What the heck? So, anyway, as I find myself walking through the wilderness, minding my own business, right on my path, what do I find? A triangle hanging on a branch. Hanging on a branch. Yes, a perfect triangle. Well, isn't that something? Triangles. And here it is, hanging naturally on this branch for me to pass by and feel the beautiful splendor and strength and power of a triangle whilst finding my way out of the wilderness. Provided by Mother Nature. Isn't that nice? Triangle. Oh, you can pass your hand through it and things. Yes. Suppose I could put my face in. Hello. Yes. My face in a triangle. Oh. So, in any event, isn't that fascinating? Hanging on this branch. And where did it come from? Way up there? Or perhaps was it created by a spiritual force, perhaps a native spiritual force who also believes in the strength of the triangle? It's a sign. It's a sign that positive and beautiful things are going to happen. Believe it. Life is amazing. Next time you see a triangle, think of this beautiful moment here in the wilderness after dark. I am so bloody happy right now. Thank you. Yeah, here, together. Thank you. Thank you very much.